Google AI Studio app. So as you can see, I've installed the app. So let me click on it, and then you are welcome to the AI Studio. As you can see, welcome to AI Studio. So how do you get this AI Studio? So when you go to Play Store from your phone, and then you come here to the search and then you type on it, and then from the search bar you come and then type in, that is Google Studio AI, and then you select it. You will notice that the app isn't here. You can't find it here either from Play Store as well. So this is how you get it. So from your phone, go to the Chrome and then use it. Tap on it to open, and then simply come here to the search bar and then come and search for Google AI Studio and then select it. So over here, it's going to bring you right here. Come and select the official site of Google AI Studio, and then it will bring you right here. Okay, so when you look at the top left hand corner, the three bars, come and click on it, and then over here you see that you have the generate media. Okay, so come and select that one, and then you have all these to use the AI for. Okay, so to install it, at the top right hand corner, come and then click on the three dots, and then over here you see that we have add to home screen. Okay, come and tap on it, and then from here you have the option to install it directly on your phone. Okay, so come and then tap on the install, the right arrow, and then it is going to bring you right here to install the Google AI Studio app. Okay, so come and tap on the install, and then from here you will see that we have successfully installed the app. So as you can see, AI Studio app installed, and then from my phone, as you can see, we have it right here. So simply come and then tap on it, and then it will be open for you, and that is it. Welcome to AI Studio. Okay, so that is it. You can use it to generate image. We have the Gemini speech, we have the image generation, video as well, and then you can do all this with the AI. If you have any questions, leave in the comment down below, like the video, and then see you in my next video.